Making pipeline security foolproof. One of the major problems that gas and oil industries face is the security of their pipelines. Pipelines are often laid out for several kilometers, stretching across different regions, which makes them weakest link in the chain of security. A geospatial digital twin security system is a mile-to-mile solution to this. Let technology take lead where manual security services are not effective enough. GeoLand's Doctor is a pioneer in providing geospatial AI solutions with mapping, marking and monitoring, surveillance, for assets and estates that cover mile to mile.
Geo Secure Factory (GIS) solution and with enhanced security brings a combination of technology features. Geo-mapping, geospatial mapping of assets with FMV/factory blueprint. Geo-marking, using drone data, marking of assets based on criticality, risk. Geo-AI monitoring for high critical assets using PIDS, perimeter intrusion detection system. Semi-automated drones, PTZ cams, and panoramic surveillance cameras for robust and foolproof security. For better safety of personnel, assets and as well as environment. Day or night, despite topographical obstacles, this security model will help in real-time monitoring, faster response times, better personnel safety. Security scenario. In case of an intruder movement, PIDS sends an interference signal, sets off the semi-automated drones to track the source of disturbance. Drones will capture high-resolution images of the site of disturbance. The nearest control center gets all the relevant information. Let's step up our security game partnering with GeoLand's Doctor that can help you protect and monitor your assets like factories, lands, estates, inventory/godowns and save up to 35% of your security and operational costs. Are you ready to secure your assets?